bank statement online, then you're already part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's called Fintech, and it's changing economies around the world. Fintech is short for financial technology. Seems simple, right? Well, the term fintech includes a huge range of products, technologies, and business models that are changing the financial services industry. It refers to everything from cashless payments to crowdfunding platforms to robo-advisors to virtual currencies. So every time you donate to someone's Kickstarter campaign, that's fintech. Or if you transfer money to someone using Venmo, that's also fintech. And that's just the beginning. Here at a major fintech conference in Amsterdam, hundreds of companies are trying to disrupt the banking and finance industries by changing the way we pay and borrow money. And investors are buying it. Global investment in the fintech sector has added up to nearly $100 billion since 2010. In 2017 alone, fintech investment surged 18%. Startups focusing on payment and lending technologies received the majority of those funds. It's not just startups that are getting into fintech. Some of the world's biggest companies, from Apple to Alibaba, are going big on it too. Just think of Apple Pay or Alipay. One reason for all of this investment, consumers are adopting fintech fast. 1 out of every 3 people across 20 major economies report using at least 2 fintech services in the last 6 months. China and India are leading the way, with more than half of consumers using services like money transfers, financial planning, borrowing, and insurance. Financial technology has filled a void for people around the world who don't have access to traditional banking services. In fact, it's estimated nearly 2 billion people worldwide are without bank accounts. Now, thanks to fintech.
All right. Hello and welcome. Welcome to our channel. Hello, it's your girl here, Coach Serenese, the one and only credit rehab nurse, also the fintech queen. As you could see, I change lives. So I don't just change lives in the hospital or the ICU settings, but I also change lives. That's what I do 24/7. What I do in the hospital 3 days a week, that's what I do. But what I do all the time is I change lives. So with that saying, do you like my shirt? Do you like my shirt? All right. With that saying, how would you like to have or to start your own fintech business for only $1? You heard me right, $1. $1. So I'm going to show you how you can start your own fintech business for only $1. Now, if I ask you when Bitcoin used to be $1.28, knowing what you know now, if you had the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin, then would you have done it? Just a question. So knowing what you know now, would you have invested years ago when it used to be $1.28 for a whole coin, Bitcoin? Now, with that saying, let me jump right into it. My name is Coach Serenese. If we're meeting for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share so that each time we have something new, something amazing, you'll be the first one to know about it. All right, here is what I've got to share with you. And listen.
OMG, listen, this 14-day challenge is everything. We're talking about FreedomPath has made it simple for me to be able to go out here and 10x my income in just little as 14 days. We're talking about 2 weeks to be able to go out here and capitalize and earn a huge income, making a big impact. So my question to you is, why haven't you started the challenge? Like, you need to get on this challenge today. Get your business. All you do is plug in, and then once you plug in, you got access to all the tools, the resources, the leadership, the training, everything you need to be able to literally become profitable. So you pay today, you play today, and put yourself in position to get paid, all right? Join the 14-day challenge if you haven't already done so.
What's going on? This is Kevin Blake, better known as Coach Kev. I launched my business in 14 days. I didn't know what to do, but I was equipped with a website, marketing material, and the training from top leaders in this company. Now I got a big business and I make residual income on a monthly basis. FreedomPath is the truth. Now I want to share something with you. It's important for you to launch your business in the next 14 days, start the challenge. I'll see you on the other side.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Chelsea Conley, the Millennial Boss. I launched my business with FreedomPath, and they gave me everything that I needed. The training, the tools, the resources, whatever I needed, it was here. And now I have a successful, strong business with regular reoccurring income. So it works. FreedomPath is the future. Take the challenge. Launch your own future in just 14 days.
All right. As you guys could see, these are some of our top leaders in the company explaining to you or sharing with you how this opportunity is changing their lives and how themselves in return, they're changing lives. They're changing other people's lives. Now, you might be asking, so what's the challenge? All right. So I'm going to share with you our CEO, our founder, who's going to tell you exactly what this whole challenge is about. His name is Ryan Ragland. He's going to tell you exactly, in just a few minutes, he's going to share with you what this whole challenge is all about. Now, have you guys ever have to subscribe to something that they are so positive that there's nothing to lose, that they give it to you literally for free? So that's what we have here. And I just couldn't help but share it with you. So pay attention, take a look. And, it may not be for you, but hey, who knows? It's only $1. All right, so let's get to it as it comes straight from our CEO, how he's going to share exactly what this is all about. All right.
Future of financial services with FreedomPath. See, FreedomPath is a fintech company or financial technology. And what financial technology is really any technology that bridges the gap between financial services and the people who need them. It's the integration of technology into offerings by financial service companies just like ours to improve their use and delivery to consumers. Now, this market is absolutely booming. The global fintech market is projected to grow to 700 billion. You heard that right, 700 billion with a B by 2030. And this growth is really driven by demand for easier, faster, and more